Are you ready to level up your career and land high-paying roles in top IT companies? Introducing the CCNP course by Network Rhinos. The CCNP Enterprise certification is highly respected and in demand, trusted by tech giants like Cisco, Infosys, TCS, and Amazon. Whether you're a network engineer, system admin, or infrastructure specialist, this course will place you ahead in your career. You'll learn enterprise networking architecture, security and automation, WLAN, and more based on the official 350-401 ENCOR blueprint. The course duration is 2 months with practical hands-on practice using real-time Cisco lab setups and troubleshooting labs. Get trained by Cisco certified professionals with mock tests and tips to pass the exam. Career pathways include network engineer and security specialist. Join us for course materials, lab guides, resume support, and lifetime access to class recordings. From month 2, we offer placement assistance including resume optimization and mock interviews to support your job search. At Network Rhinos, we build careers and help you learn from working professionals with a proven track record of success. Are you ready to get CCNP certified and take the next big step in your career? Join us and become a networking expert.